Python 1 by Howard Green, 2023. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about input and if, which I used in the project. Input is a user interaction script, for example. What day is today? You would answer 5/6/2023. Here it says which restaurant. Here it says which restaurant do you rather? Type 1 for Japanese noodle house and type 2 for ramen. If is a script that allows several solutions to occur. Which pizza do you want? Pineapple pizza? Are you sure you want pineapple pizza? For example, input. Input means you ask for a question you could answer. If means if something allows another solution to occur. My favorite part about working on this project was making the ending. My favorite ending is the main meal is $10 with tax and the side dishes are $4. And when you pay overpriced, they scam you, and you don't want to report it. How to improve my project? If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add one more restaurant, maybe one or two more endings, and more decision making. You would choose one or two for which restaurant you want. And there's like 11 minutes to arrive to the restaurant you want. You can choose your pizza you want. Each pizza costs $15, but if you do less or more or the same, there'll be different endings. You can report it if you overpaid. Thank you.